So boom. Let me put y'all on game real quick, gang. Tell me why these niggas set off the fire alarm. Yeah. Tell me why these niggas set off the fire alarm at 8 o'clock this morning. If you're on Instagram or on the spam, y'all see me. But that's not cool. But it is what it is. Can't do nothing about it now. You feel me? But now we got oh, it ain't even that cold outside. Oh, wait, what did I do? Oh, there we go. But now we got workouts at 11. So I'm walking over to the field house now. Take my jolly old time. And yeah. So that's just gonna be that. Oh, and then they canceled classes for today because of ice, apparently. Yeah, so all classes were online. 9 o'clock class got on Zoom. 2 o'clock class, she emailed us. She said she ain't having no Zoom. She said the board gonna be posted online. Just get it done. You feel me? So that's what we doing for her. And then, yeah. So technically, I'm done with class for today. So now, like I said, I'm finna go work out. And that be that. So, yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all after workouts and see what I get into. Snow, nigga. Yo, vlog, what's good? Yeah, it's been a minute, man. It's dead ass starting to snow, gang. Shit. Hey, workout was good. You feel me? Nothing too crazy. I'm not gonna lie, I'm walking like a...
Man, the push was just fucking crazy.
I'm walking like a sumo wrestler right now. No bow.
Hey, just wait till leg day, dude.
I'm not being in no type of leg day until like fall. I know. Oh. Why she yell at the girl like that? That was crazy. We don't need none of that, boy. It's not that cold. It's cold. I said it's cold, but it's not like that cold. Hey, workout was good though. You feel me? Nothing too crazy. Yeah. Now we at Kroger. All right, y'all.
Shit, I get them. Check it the
Just good. Good what you gonna get, bro. Cause you may not like it. They're like overly sweet.
I tried it before.
Oh. I ain't gonna lie. We're here in the training room at like 2:30. We got here training room at like 2. Then we got a meeting at 3. 3:30. So today a jam-packed day. I need to do a little muscle recovery. So what else we gotta do? I ain't gonna lie. Got a girlfriend, I'll get her one of these right here.
Hey, I should get that from you. Thank you.
Hey, he forgot about his girl for Valentine's Day.
I just don't. I know what I'm gonna get it.
What you gonna get her?
Big ass, shiny ass teddy bear.
A teddy bear.
Oh yeah, there's some flowers out there.
Oh, so sweet.
A Coach bag.
Coach bag. Oh, you got money like that? He got money on. Big baller, big baller.
She got the
I ain't gonna lie, nigga. I need some Vaseline.
I got the fun.
I lost my bro. I don't know how I lost my Vaseline, but I did. And my arms are like overly hurting. But why you getting junk food, bro? You just got out the weight room.
Nigga, why you like that's your business?
Zebra cakes and oatmeal cream pie.
Hell yeah, nigga. I got fruits, nigga. That's balancing right there.
I can't even talk. I just got hella fruit snacks yesterday.
Yeah, if we in the kitchen, nigga, I'll get the side.
But you can have it. Well,
Where? In the gas?
you can't do it in on. I can't say it on the vlog because my ORA may watch my vlogs.
Definitely.
But if you know, you know.
You're a football player, are you?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
Oh, sure you are.
That's what I'm saying. What the f- is that supposed to mean?
She thought you fat.
Like, damn. Shit, let me walk around like this then.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Look like a bodybuilder.
Hey, where we're coming here, yeah, get some.
What's up, folks? Behind you. Frosted strawberry milkshake Pop-Tarts. Go ahead and get you that.
That shit. I don't eat chocolate.
Bro, I ain't gonna lie, my arm is like on fire.
I should chill right now.
I mean, you're not vlogging, I am, bro. My arm is on fire.
Who falls there?
Just had them workouts. Shit, vlog, we gonna catch y'all when we get back in the V, you feel me? And then,
Football player.
that's why, bro, that really just shocked me. She said, you're a football player?
Hey,
Oh, no, you're not.
how you gonna tell me? That's all I'm gonna say.
Nah, I can't be disrespectful. I'm in UC gear. That's a bad look.
It's kind of that separate space.
That's a bad look. But I'm gonna catch y'all when we either get back to back in the car or back on camp. I'll see y'all in a little bit. All right, vlog. So boom. Headed back to the car. Got what I needed the most.
Yeah, we have to get this shit over with.
I ain't gonna lie, this is the smallest Vaseline I ever bought in my life. I've always bought the medium-sized one. And rich guy over here bought a basket worth of groceries. And it went from snow to rain. Ain't that great?
Hey, when I said we can get this shit on rush time, we put this shit on rush time. Or we get some car. I knew we were definitely going.
I mean, we might as well go back to the training room, see if they have the meeting by now.
Take this shit over with.
Hey, boy, I need my recovery, man. My knee hurt too bad.
What you do? Come on, gang.
My damn knee hurt. I'm gonna catch y'all vlog. So boom, came to the training room. We icing them down. So with the left one, while I was working out today, doing front press, right? I had like 180 something on the bar. Pressing that bit, doom. You did me? And I just felt like the knee just collapsed on the inside. Started to hurt a little bit, chilled out a little bit, you feel me? Did that. And then y'all know I just had surgery on this one. So it is what it is, you feel me? So now we're here doing double time. We got a meeting at 3:30. I'm being here tomorrow at 2 something. So yeah, it's gonna be a fun time. Bro, vlog, I'm gonna catch y'all when I get done with this. I got 12 minutes left on here. So, yeah.